Welcome, my Priority Access member. You have just done something that most people did not do. You did not wait. You did not overthink. You felt something and you acted. And that decision has already put you in a completely different category from everyone else. You are not a general attendee anymore. You are a Priority Access member, and that means everything that comes next is going to be different for you. So, first, I just want to say I appreciate you and I'm genuinely excited to have you as a priority member. This retreat is going to be one of the most powerful experiences of your life, and you have already taken the first and most important step. Now, I want to make sure you are very clear about everything that is waiting for you because you deserve to know exactly what you have secured today. So, let me tell you very clearly what being a priority access member means for you. Number one, you have already secured a saving of 3000 rupees on the retreat investment. Let me explain this simply. On 30th May, in the retreat launch session, I am going to reveal the retreat investment for the very first time. Everyone in that room will get a special opportunity to book their retreat seat right there in the session. But as a priority access member, you are getting 3000 less than what everyone else pays. That saving is already yours, locked in, secured. The moment you pay 500 rupees today, that rupees 3000 saving is waiting for you on 30th May. But, and this is very important, this 3000 saving is only valid if you book your retreat seat during the 30th May launch session. The moment that session ends, this saving is gone permanently. So show up live and book your seat right there in the session. That is when your rupees 3000 saving becomes real. Number 2, your seat is already secured in the top 15. Let me explain what this means. There are only 15 seats for this retreat. When I open the retreat booking live on 30th May, those seats are going to go fast. Some people will get in, some people will be too late, but you, as a priority access member, your seat is already on hold till the end of session. Your name is already on the list. You go first before everyone else in that room. Nobody can take your spot. Number 3, on the last day of the retreat in Gurgaon, you are going to receive a special surprise gift personalized just for you. Something meaningful, something you are going to keep forever. This is exclusively for priority access members. General retreat members do not receive this. Only you. Now, I want to be very clear about one important thing. These three benefits, your 3000 saving, your secured seat in top 15, and your special surprise gift, are only valid if you book your retreat seat during the 30th May launch session. After that session ends, these benefits are gone. No extensions, no exceptions. So, here is what I want you to do right now. Save the date, 30th May, sharp 6 pm. Put it in your calendar right now. Tell your family, I have something very important that evening. Keep that time completely free and show up live because your 3000 saving is only valid when you book live in that session. You have already made the smartest move. You acted fast. You secured your priority position. Now, just show up on 30th May and collect everything that is waiting for you. See you on 30th May, sharp 6 pm. Love you. Happy healing.